Come in. Oh, it's you. I've been expecting you, pup. Really? Did you get here all right? I can see that you made it in one piece. That's a relief. Well, there was a moment or two that I worried that the storm might have gotten you turned around. Or that my directions were far too complex. Though, now that I think about it, you'd have followed them to a T even if they were overly complicated. You're just that kind of dog, aren't you? The obedient kind. My favorite kind. I see that got your attention. Oh, come sit, come sit. Don't keep me waiting here by myself. Tell me, loyal pup, why do you think I called you here today? Oh, you don't need to be so tense, silly. You're not in any trouble. Nope, none at all. You're here because I want to reward you. Yes, really, that's all. There's no catch, so take it easy. I can imagine the amount of stress that this week has put you under. Oh, poor thing. So tired. If only I could rub those dark circles away. Although, I must say, a certain expression does come to mind. One about how diamonds are created under pressure. I believe this phrase is very applicable in your case. You have done such a good job pushing through despite the exhaustion. That's what is most important. In time, you will see that the hardships are worth it. I promise. I can already see the precious stone that's forming beneath your tired gaze. How about this? Lie back against that couch for me. Gently, yes. There you go. Now, use that pillow to prop up your neck. It'll be hard to relax with a stiff neck, don't you think? What am I doing? Well, I'm going to cuddle with you, of course. Don't be nervous. I won't bite. This is a reward. Please try to keep that in mind. You will enjoy our time together a lot more if you allow yourself to relax. Take a deep breath if you can. There. That's a little better. Do you think that talking about everything would be a useful outlet for you? If you're willing to talk, I'm willing to listen. No, silly, not as your boss. We're both off the clock right now. You're here because I want you to be. I cherish our time together. Of course I do, pup. I wouldn't lie to you. Not after how thoroughly you've proven your dedication to our cause. I may have underestimated the toll recent events have taken on you. You're free to talk, or not to talk. This time is yours. Me? I don't mind either way. Although, I would prefer it if you allowed yourself to let go of that built-up tension. Here, wrap your arms around me. It's okay. I think it's cute when you take a second to process the things I say. Are you finding all of this hard to believe? Are you afraid, perhaps, that one minute you'll be holding on to me and the next you'll awake from a dream? You've got nothing to worry about. Trust me, pup. This moment may not last forever, but that doesn't make it any less impactful. Memories are precious things. For instance, it's rather common for public safety officials to spiral. Sometimes after something traumatic, and other times it can happen for no reason at all. You've already witnessed a handful of these cases. People in dangerous fields like ours have a nasty habit of ruminating over bad memories. They become terribly lost in their own minds, and they forget that good memories can keep them company too. They store them away like a treasure in a chest, deeply buried, collecting dust. But for what use is a diamond, if not to be admired? All of that to say, I hope our time here together becomes something of use to you. A reminder that there are precious memories yet to be made. I have full confidence that you will persevere, if only to reach those moments of respite. Don't you agree? Good. That's all I want. Hey, I appreciate how careful you're being, but I'm not going to shatter if you want to hold me tighter. In most cases, the simple act of clinging on to another person is enough to alleviate stress by a significant amount. I speak objectively because I can't speak from personal experience. Oh, sweet pup, you misunderstand me. It's not that I've never felt uneasy. Rather, it's that I haven't had the opportunity to hold someone like this before. Mostly due to lack of time and desire. But things have been going rather smoothly at the division since you joined. It's like you were built for this sort of job. That was my assessment of you in the beginning, at least. I thought surely the higher-ups had built us some kind of devil hunting machine. Yet, the closer I looked, the more human you became. The others may still look up to you in awe, but none of them really see you, do they? Not like I do. I get to lay on your chest right here, listening to your heart race. No, no need to be embarrassed, sweetie. The steady rhythm in your chest is endearing to me. Relax your body again. You're safe with me. I will keep you warm. I will keep you comfortable. I will keep you company. Is that an acceptable reward for all your hard work, pup? I'm happy to hear that. What do I think? So far, I find this quite enjoyable. Oddly, I find myself wanting to drift off like this. It wouldn't be so bad, would it? Perhaps it's time for me to relax a bit too. Just a short nap. You'll wake me if I oversleep? Then I don't see why not. Sweet dreams, pup. Still up? And is there something else you wanted to say? No? Well, that's fine. I did have a few words I wish to pass along. Do you mind? Of course not. Well, if you liked this audio, then please subscribe to the channel. Your support goes a long way. And if you'd like to commission an audio, then be sure to pay a visit to anagami.com/commissions. Well, that's all. We should get moving before it gets too late. Follow me.